Just a bit of Shine Star, Mam B, LCS, Richard Payne, nigga. All back is on the keys.
Man, I've been through a lot. I've been through the struggles, all the hustle and the tussle. She'd make me stronger, the street makes me wiser. I was born as a fighter. Lord, I thank you for the blessings and all of the lessons. Now I'm rich of pain, I'm rich of pain, I'm rich of pain, rich of pain. Yeah, I'm rich of pain, I'm rich of pain, rich of pain, rich of pain.
I'm rich of fame, don't go through many strains. All the stress and thinking almost make I go insane. Haters then wish, now for make I drain. Sometimes I can ask, waiting and go gain. I'm an hustler, what a chase, fortune and fame. All again are hopes and dreams, but change the game. For sure, nigga, now that not the aim. Just a pity shine the sun, now that not the name. They try to bury me, but I'm a seed, so I grew up. They never gon' proud of you till you blow up. That's why I always try my best to show up. Cool nigga, why I never show off. I feel like I'm making clef on the show off. 2017, I lost my best rapper. Shine the God song, rest in peace, my brother. Lamco Richie, another tree pop.
Man, I've been through a lot. I've been through the struggles, all the hustle and the tussle. She'd make me stronger, the street makes me
I'm a gangster, and it's true the rock star. The spin won't fall, I'm the true superstar. So, out of the way, man, you brothers wrong way. You know niggas better not and find your own way. And you bitches, you ain't fit me in this dog. Cause I play real tracks and you play your fake dog. I play this game since you a small boy. I hate niggas, you play the game toy. I spin on the mic and I spin it for life. I do what I like and I do it for life. So, rule number one, man, is stay on the mic. There's no doubt, cause I spin so clever. And rappers in this game on the be like me. But when on the mic, they can't do like me. Cause I'm untouchable, I'm invisible. Mr. Lyrics, I'm incredible. But I do whatever, I do say whatever. You can't even stop me. I do whatever, I do say whatever. You can't even stop me.
My Monday. Yeah, channel. Thank you. We're glad for there. Because they will see your face and understand. We're glad for there. Okay, so we can start the program proper now, and then we just need somebody to volunteer. One for giving Christian prayer and one person for giving Muslim prayer. Anybody can volunteer for prayer?
Let sexual, the various president of Canada peace more massively. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So anybody for the Christian prayer, please? Anybody?
Father, I want to thank you for this opportunity we give together for coming us for this program. For the prayer, Lord, as we hear presence within our midst, that whatever thing we will do, and so you and believe. Take and take just be the beauty that will protect you about anything we will be problem on. Thank you for everything. So Jesus Christ, and I pray. Amen.
Thank you. So big. Hello. Where are the artists and the house? Where are the artists? And this one here. Okay. So you do me artists. So actually they introduced the general manager for this particular organization. This boss here, such an outstanding young man. don't do a whole lot. And for me, now one of the few people where I literally admire for the fact that in and in team was to don't forgive a wonderful thought to this, for taking into consideration, for support youngsters and musicians speaks volume of the fact say una get people the way understand una passion, where you're for support una being in an entertainment industry. Of course, you know how frustrating it is for being an entertainer and say you. One, the encouragement is not there, the facilities are not there, and all of that. But if you get hello, the acting about the talk home, you know how about talk that you forget. So if I get a set of people where literally they support me at this point in time when nobody was at in it, I think say before I even introduce the general manager, we the artists that deserve to be a round of applause to the organizer of the day. And that's where they can start this whole thing with Una. Then we'll continue, and Una will be the face and the change in the entertainment industry in Sierra Leone. We believe the change will happen, and it has to start somewhere. So the general manager for this organization is Kailu Soma, LLB holder, that is Bachelor of Law, who studies at Fwame College, and he's currently at the Sierra Leone Law School, and he's somebody who literally loves entertainment, one who wants to become an actor, a musician, and a barrister, a lawyer. So, of course, we understand. For me, this is the kind of thing I admire. If I get a general manager where they become a lawyer anytime soon, but still gets this kind of passion for the entertainment industry, speaks volume of the fact that Una Seven artists there. It don't mean say because you did into entertainment, you cannot pay attention to the studies, because now that is the whole business alone. Where people just go into entertainment, the moment so they don't get that kind of face they think they have already, they put aside all other things. That is not how you go. We see Nigeria, we see Ghana, when we talk about entertainers, when they tell you what they study, you will ask the how comes. I think they have that they found so I don't know where people that will already study law. But for me, he wanted to be an artist. So you go at the law school, yes, the barrister name and give people in the car, they do extremely well. And they still maintain that standard. Maybe I don't need to say this, so for the fact that I don't need the privilege for him to choose some, and if I speak to now, say, oh, they are also focused on their education, whatever means to be able to get some. That is how you'll be able to build your brand. Do something different that MRC have never done. Do something different that Shine the Godson or whosoever have never done. So I want to say thanks to Una, the organizers there, and the general manager. Thank you so much for the good work. And thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce you.
Thank you very much. For Una, Sabi wants to be introduced as the chairperson for this program. The name is Alasana, somebody from college students, or what is follow student politics. These are one of the individuals and locally aspire for being the student union presidents of our college. We also is a law department, currently they are three. Here now, Sayu Suma. Me as somebody don't spend quite a number of years for language. Of course, the LLB on the second degree. When in the first degree, I will put on plenty things we are in a college. Because me, I can regard myself as someone doing a jack of all trades. Like, I get so many things that I have a passion for. Like, I go to college, I join club. I tell person, say, I not just join club, but I head club and family college without. But that can me. But in all of that, I don't lose sight of the main thing we go to my college, when I go down. And I'm not just being a head of the club at Fabi College. I also serve as a house captain for the Bisimiku Hall at Fabi College. Before I go further, let I use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you left use schedules there for ensuring they are today. To SLBC, thank you so much for honoring this invitation. The purpose why we are so today and for our launch something very, very big, because we are not small, because we know how far we don't come on regarding this. So when we reach this stage here, it's very big to me, and I'm so proud of it. We are today for launch an entertainment company. We register under the Company Act of Sierra Leone 2009. This not just company where they form the doing things. Before they do this thing, we ensure say we go through the legal process. Although we register as a company as Sierra Leone. So this thing one I see so we get legal rights over them. The main one I see we get legal rights over them. The idea of this entertainment company, it starts off as something very, very difficult. That's a dream what somebody will say it's very difficult to achieve. Because when I get young guys then we just they kind of think of say not get this kind of thing or support yourself. There are people that out there who say we get this talent to sing music. It's huge. It's no small thing. And we really need to appreciate the guys here. So the purpose why we are so today, I've ensured say we officially launched the program out there for let me start the project proper. We just order for limit yourself to sign artists and help them for recording songs and for doing a launching. No. We get plan for do so many other things there, including for get your studio for yourself. We get so many things there where we don't plan for do. Of course, an officer time will permit me to make I say all of them are here today. But when we officially start the project, I believe say it will be a plus to the Sierra Leone entertainment industry. So without much ado, I will start off with the second agenda. Now the program. We already done late for start this program. And as such, we will have for one very brief so that we will take people in time. So before we start, for come the various speakers then, we will get here so today. We'll get an individual where somebody we very much proud of, when one of the brains behind the formation. So as I said, before we start to introduce the various speakers there, we got an individual where one of the people there will sit down. It's calling them say, guys, since we got this idea, we got this talent, for singing music. Why we not create a platform for myself so that we get the opportunity for performing something to people let they actually know say myself dey exist in this community. He is not just an individual, but he will Daniel. And I ask for that for put your hands together for you, Daniel, for telling me something brief about the formation of this company.
Honorable Director, actually, I welcome all to this launching of LCS. In all respect to the manager, we are Suma Shako, the Pompa Kisi, Association. I remember this one LCS. Actually, LCS we start up by then. I've been outside this unfinished building there, and saying the panel be small, they come up. So me, J-Star P, Smith, the J-Pack, we were fortunate for there. So we cook, and maybe they pound the pepper. So I see the brother I work close with LCS, they BND. I have for tell the brother, I say, but why you not go make team one thing? Because LCS there. So don't just feel meaning for this LCS. And everybody say, okay, now good idea. So for the J-Star Pina, they get for say, okay, Sambole, we call them legendary classic soldiers. So we go for debates towards that. Someone say we don't make a Leo classic soldiers, someone say legendary classic soldiers. So later the Baptists we don't die, may so rest in peace. They go for call we go meet and we tell her the idea we don't come up with. We tell her say this thing we want for. And they go say okay, a good idea. Say legendary classic go be nice. So we'll go with the legendary classic soldiers and we'll accept to that. Then from there we record the first song 211 to Paul Parkins when I play the beats for me, when I says anthem, and that was dope. From there people begin they see us yes, because we start the team, then they see us as bad boys. They say we are able, we don't know what they do. Instead of go to school, we did lab business. You see, so it's so difficult for me actually when we start because LCS will form August 2009. Now from LCS, so 2011 now we call the first anthem we play for we. Then from there we decide to come up with a first show when I be rap battle on March 30, around 2012, when I March 30 we go on Subaru Street. From there, when I begin, they record so many tracks. The other track back we record to Paul, when we try to, and that's why we Paul do the mix and mastering for we as well. They will record some other tracks then, you know. Where from there, LCS begin move to another level, begin to sign artists then, and then begin the journey, you know. And most of them are fortunate for their someone they Banjul, some they Senegal, Udane Turkey, and for J-Star P, when I'm the CEO, everybody knows say in London right now. You see, so the LCS we don't face so many battles. For most they start, we don't ever lost any battle. We don't know in a Wokupa, they know we don't ever lost any battle. Anytime we go, always we come out as the winner. I remember when they invite me for rapping contest, Kent, we go, almost now play everything, the best rap team, Best 5 by then just tapping it with the 5 stage. And we win a crack we have with the 3 stage by then. So we go with battle, they give the certificate for the best crack team and the best 5-0. Though some man later will begin facing 2-3 difficulty, will begin with fine for in the future. They begin to see we as part of Black Mirror. Begin to get some kind people they understand, people that they hate on we. You know, so then they are the kind of confess to we say, so we the people now but to be honest, weekly when I talk. In the likes of so many, I don't see team now Okupa when I have team where I'm from, we never go against LCS. Always LCS. Any team we can, they try for this with we. But we still conquer, we still move on. It's only criticism, everything. You know, we still not give up. Then turn calm due to some certain reason, some of we travel. But just and we still keep the faith and still move LCS, sign some new man them. We the first time for see them, but I don't know the name already in the group we create, we manage to chat. You see, I get about for seeing, but because of time not permit me, I will stop there so fast.
Thank you so much, Daniel. Like I said earlier, we don't intend for old people in here for so long because we already don't burn our time there. Next on the agenda, and follow we get the various speakers there for come say something about LCS. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me as I call no less a person. Before I call this person's name, I want to say it's a pleasure for me to get time I will miss. But let you see somebody who don't make name now the entertainment industry they like today. And one of the biggest engineers there who this country gets and who this country proud of. Anybody who they into music, they will actually know this individual. He is no less a person, but Paul Perkins. Ladies and gentlemen, a very big round of applause.
Hello. I just want to tell the general manager, Suma Plenty Tenki, and the LCS at all, the CEO, Chester P. Yeah, I think I can now. You know, me a producer, I don't sabi talk better, but I will manage my small talk, yeah. Basically, I just want to talk small about music. Personally, small journey where I don't take to this entertainment industry. When I start as a producer, songwriter, and engineer, my passion has been how to take young talents them and transform them to something great. And I started at a point when I come inside, I began the Iron Lady Loish. That's not the first person where I start with. Write an old album. That's the first experience for write an old album, and it got the person, and it's become a success. And from there, I take Nana Mentor and write an old album, and it got them, and it becomes success. From there, I take people that like Lady Felicia, and so on. It was going. But when you make I mention these were people who start from some side and believe say they can able for play their own part in the music industry. I come in contact with LCS Chester P because I mean get a particular artist we late now, may always get in peace, when I late Lam Koichi from this, neighborhood. It means so much respect to me, and today Lam Koichi, one of the song we do, salon music. Then me say, then me dey talk for say salon music no go. You understand? Now be one passion where we all get for see how we can transform salon in just wetin we dey do. You understand? We want to see, we dey see things that they happen in other places, na different countries. But we want to see how we can transform we own. And so we do plenty things. So within entertainment, they just start to come inside and we begin connect. And from those days, you can find out that most of the songs we LCS really do, they really do it with Paul Parkins. Basically, maybe they work with so many young people, young talents, the way they try to come up. And later I begin do with, most times when you talk about Paul Parkins, I will take you from the one and make you become the star. You understand? Later I begin work with other bigger artists. But I just want to say, LCS, then come on far. And anything we start with, once you continue and you persevere, it will reach some side. Nobody they expect this kind of thing for happen. Like just a bit travel within short term and you get the passion and say, I will continue with this thing where we don't start long ago and see how we can able to organize it in a better way and help we will be literally and even younger ones the way they come up to make the talent go show. That's a big blessing and a big thing. Plenty of people put money, but they never come inside entertainment. We don't know the struggles the way they happen inside the entertainment industry. It's very frustrating. We get talent, we get quality people, you understand? But when you check, after you don't record, after you don't do so many things, easy. But wait me to tell you that there is a day coming. You say the darkest part of the night is very close to daylight, right? So we just hope and believe, say, the struggle will go through, it will happen if you continue for rap and rap the best rap. Because there was time K-Man be there like you. There was time Emerson be there like you. There was time LJ na be one, you understand, one rapper no more who said be start to rap like you. I remember the work with K-Man, he tell me a story about LJ. They tell him the way they go to America, and they tell him, and then boys the work in Canada say, hey, papi, we'll be with you, is that? You understand? So it starts from those points. And they like today, where all man want to see that kind of stuff. So it get to take a process for long. So it's just about LCS get to put something inside you. You're not the first person who will get to take every energy what you get. You understand? Compare with bigger stars. Not to just within salon set. You see other people in the drum. You understand? Be the best. Try it in a rap. Try to be internationally, oriented something. Try to do the best and see how we can change things. When salon man whatever do, he will come up from you. You understand? So I think that basically that day we want to see inside LCS. Where we will see stars them to match. Short day we say, remember we go for our program, I didn't do them and they like today they are the superstars of the country. So I just want not to go too far on this talk. Me and most of them are get for the quality inside studio and other places. You understand? So I just want to say one more thank you to we all wake up to observe this occasion and to honor the artists. I wish you a good luck and good journey inside LCS. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Producer, Engineer, and Songwriter for Carpets. Before I introduce the next speaker, let me give a big round of applause for the CEO, Winner Jester P. This now somebody who really gets passion for entertainment. Somebody who will make you buy an idea when they sell you. This guy approached me now this community and said, give me the idea of creating a platform for young guys for make them showcase their talent. And after a thorough thought on wetin can build, and when myself now somebody who really gets passion for entertainment, I buy into the idea and accept for be the chief advisor then. During the period, and if I could recall, when we make about 2 programs, right? And ever since, we don't keep in touch for ensure LCS reach to another level. And I believe today, now the starting point for me to reach another level where we don't anticipate. So without much ado, I'm going to introduce the next speaker, when the president of the entertainment company. There is no loss a person, but Prezo Shako. Put your hands together as I welcome Prezo Shako.
God. Hello. Good afternoon once more. Thanks very much to the chairman, Mr. Saidu Suman, and the general manager for Legendary Classic Sounds. Before I go further, I would like for we put a round of applause for the CEO, Mr. P. We make impossible for all they are today. Trust me, this God I get love. Yeah? This God I get boku love, plenty love. Yeah? Because not to everybody who get that kind of love, they will get money, he decide for put up entertainment business, or either for put up a young stars that really grab up. And all the just way I don't know, when a young man we get that art day. In a one possible way, I don't know. So like a big hand for him once again. LCS, as a long time brother we can dish we can give a brief explanation about Legendary Classic Sounds. We know no less other boss we na crack more. This brother na a brother we na start this business. We start and then come up with the idea when they start this business. We deal like today, the business not farm. We know the business not confirm. And we tell them plenty thank you for the big ideas we they all come together. We they make day like today we all there. I don't get much for say. I just want to say a brief story about Legendary Classic Sounds. Legendary Classic Sounds an entertainment company. As the general manager, be the top G-Sean. Where we come with new game in the entertainment industry. We now come up new talents and new youngsters. The way they get talent, we can expose them. Now that's we can for. And not to that no more. As the general manager be the talk, we get lot of things that we see. Like if I Tinabia, I decide for talk about them. I don't go until the 8 o'clock. But the plans then they healing. We form Legendary Classic Sounds for can come up the youngsters then. Now 1, then 2, Legendary Classic Sounds and an entertainment company. When a jack of all trades, you be an artist now, you be a film producer now, an actor now. The company now for young talents. Now for young talents, we get talents, so we come for that expose them. Then make we form Legendary Classic Sounds. And just have been a one brother we may grab up at this community. Since we back then 2005, 6, we will grab up now. Then as time goes, we then form this team. And you will meet me. He say, Shako, he say, na my brother. He say, then I want any way I dey let you serve day. Because you know, brother, we get love for entertainment. He talk to me. He invite me first for LCS meeting. How do we start? From the meeting now, so like we go to official signing, we get for signing and the team. I can LCS. My first position I get at LCS, now be chief whip. I may be the chief whip for LCS. I did as a chief whip for over 2 to 3 years. We make shows them. I can remember then 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then we will make shows them. Then after that, the CEO decided for say, come on, bro. The love when you don't come put now the team in 2 months. So this time the time is you need for camp for step at the team. Because like the president will begin at the team, they not be the act. So like the brother man come, they say, I want you be one by the candidates when they stand as the president at LCS. So wow. I say, brother man, I say this is a big tax for me. Now I say, but if you really cool with that, I say, listen, I'm cool with that. He give me that responsibility. And God make, that's all I sit here, I will make that election day. We do the election, I win the election by vote. Then since then, I become the president of this particular entertainment company. And since then, they get ups and downs, they struggle, but yet still, we didn't have this guy. Because we don't pay them, as Emma say, we don't pay, we know they run away. No matter the ups and downs, we still keep cool. We go on. We still lay up till now. We go, till we reach the level there. So like, we just have to say, the big particular stage of the issue now, LCS for another level. LCS for worldwide. So like, we come up with this idea for sign youngsters then, and register the record label and the entertainment company per se. So like, we come up with the idea there, we all agree to that, and diligently, we are successful as a company in Sierra Leone. We all register as a legal company in Sierra Leone. So like, as the manager will talk, we get all kind of rights to this name and to this company. Because our company will get registered. So like, so far so good. If I can talk about LCS, I can stop there. Thanks. Please.
Thank you so much, President Shako. From the humbling the speakers, the entertainers, them. If I forgot all the Nigerians of the Kaya, now I'm going to launch more of them. One thing again we I left out about myself when I'm the general manager and also get this opportunity for share this program. And for also telling us me a politician as well. Sorry. Me a politician as well. I don't play student politics and I don't play national politics as well. For all me and the community, of course, I don't need to say much on that. Because the person who we need in this community is a very politician of this country. We are Honorable Alpha Timbo. Regarding student politics, the college, I also serve as chairperson for the elections committee for the general's entity. We are all the white program for the college. The Lupe serve as the chairperson for the elections committee. So, not just entertainment I get love for. I get passion for so many other things there. I want to call on the next speaker, who is a very industrious person who will help for push LCS go before. They will do so much more. They will do so much for ensure that we reach this peak what we do so. The person will actually go out for introduce, not in a seats now, but I will call the next speaker, we serve only with LCS for a very long time now. He is no longer a person, but like Jim. Put your hands together for like Jim.
Thank you very much, speaker. Now, good afternoon. My name is John Mohamed Kamara. I serve as the artist manager for LCS. LCS, an entertainment company where like the CEO did not start the game from 2008. And CEO Ghana song say, we don't choose all kind of pain and spirits, but we don't let it. As long as what we want for achievement, we don't let it. I want once more, I want for all put round of applause for the CEO. Because the man will get love. And when it's man say love is the answer. When you get love, it will reach you go. It will reach whoso you want for go. As long as you out open for the next man, it will reach whoso you want for go. This time I brother we meet now at Boom Syndicate 2015. So the brother tell me about LCS. Say brother, you know potential we have wallet inside this year. Because they don't find for long. But I don't began the attention. So late 2018, the brother messaged me Facebook. Say brother, I want to come inside. So I come inside. Also I come inside and say, brother, I want to serve as the chief whip for this particular entertainment company. I say, brother, I'm not going to problem on that. Once as long as for pushing big, because me I get big things there. So if a brother can say, can help me for no push, I just there for help the brother for let you actualize the game, because me only my help for need people and back for let them can push me. So I just there for help the brother for push him, for let you actualize this big dream we get for the entertainment. The brother goes on. I said, Sam, I don't see nobody for manage me. He said, now you are the person way for manage me. I said, wow. Pass the rock class for the brother. The brother will get love. You get love. And you get love for the entertainment. And I pray God will make you reach the highest peak where you want for reach in this entertainment industry. I pray God will make you reach international dreams, then actualize them all. Once more, we are the artist manager for LCS, John Mohamed Kamara, or calling from Carol J. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jim, the artist manager. The next person will get on the list. Now, this person will do all the necessary paperwork for the entertainment company. He is described. He is no less a person, but Pepsi, when are the Secretary General of the company. Put your hands together as we welcome Pepsi. And also, when I join me for the congratulator, it don't be a daddy today, you have just born.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I got to manage this really happy because today night like a daydream to me, because really funny. I said we don't go far. I don't know how smiling they say now, because if I can remember, just like a family to me now. This time one thing we talk about when we manage to come on by culture, man. Say sound. This is the man who put out to actualize. The man who gets it. I said, but I don't know, we have football, we play in artists, you go see. I said, no, my man need you. Since I need for you guys, that's what I like guys.
But put you say oh, nice for making sex again. Wherever I don't remember 2009, 10, okay, then 2012, not doing anything. I can't occupy for can stay finally with my family. When I can't occupy, I can't admire LCS so much. I see most of the colleagues there who be good school at that time. I see them like they didn't have the team. I said, man, I said LCS money for joy. I said because like money for the young corner on to the power, the guna. I said, that's me calling the money. I said, yeah. I said, I knew all the football for casual music. And then I said, no, see the pipe football with the music. But to that's a round of applause for you. But I'm on with the England for sure. Because this day we don't move big. Because like, saying I still is surprised for myself, so not to be this. Man gets fed up, and like a winner angel there. I still look surprised. They can see man, I'm really happy. That expects me to be born today. But I know we will talk too much. We know the sexy general, you guys sorry for fun, but short, and safe to make a stop there.
Thank you so much. The latest that in town. Then at the Secretary General Pepsi. Ladies and gentlemen, we know each an important aspect of the launching today. Now, the official launching of the LCS logo. Now they can officially launch the logo to the public out there. Make them know say LCS they exist and LCS ready for the big things. Now the entertainment industry as a whole. I want to give this honor to somebody who a blessing for making better my release today, for do the official unveiling of the LCS logo. He is no less a person, but a producer, a songwriter, an engineer for Parkins. So I call the media think they are very close as they can unveil the LCS logo. So at the count of 3, we will join the logo a count of 3 as the songwriter, engineer, and producer, they do the official unveiling of the LCS logo. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's put your hands together as we will do the official launch of the LCS logo. Let me put your hands together. Let me put your hands together. Let me put your hands together. Let me put your hands together as the process to go on. Let me put your hands together as the process to go on. He is a songwriter, an engineer, and a producer. Of course, in another area, some of the artists and way they don't help for let them go. At the entertainment industry as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you, the official logo of the legendary Classic Soldiers, legendary Classic Sounds Entertainment Company.
Hands in the air.
Yeah.
Everybody put your hands in the
You know
air.
what time it is.
Hands in the air.
LCS.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
You know what I mean?
We're classic.
For sure, though.
Legendary, we're classic.
Yeah.
classic. We can't fucking take over the whole town. We're so legendary, we're classic, and we get the best sound. Legendary classic, we can't fucking take over the whole town. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes.
We're the young Jews trying to make it out. Your love is so innate, please give us that. We promise to give all the things you like. Consistency is the core life. We're not ready for we the obvious. SES they
As we don't do the official launch of the logo, we want for take on time at least 1 minute for stand up and turn as we do the official launch of the logo. We said get the logo of LCS.
Inflation at the country, but me level and
That's not the logo. We said get the logo of the legendary classic South Entertainment. So as
for deliver flows, now that's with it for. Like big pass with it, so we pass, catch the flavor.
at this stage, we ask the guests for feel free for snap, if you love, and even the banner as well.
No contest, we are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest, we are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest, we are no trials, yes.
Yo, 1-2, LCS the best team. We legendary, we classic, we can do the best team. Wakas rap and logo able test we get good flow and we can make good sound. Anytime we pull up, other team can just bow. Legendary classic soldiers, we get good vibes and classic soldiers. No one ever snitch till I then I 4 shoulders. Heading to the top like a skyscraper. So we take over the game like we brave God. Yo, daddy like a soldier we survive war.
Alright.
Like a soldier we survive war.
With big dreams initiative, we don't count 8 years back to now. A big plan, studio to studio, under the hot sun. Everything changed, including the game plan. We they up, they fly like a caught kites. I've been seeing this vision with good sights. We come in peace for change all and bad vibes. What you want, I give it, you like it. No time for them hate, you know. LCS now me mind 247. Hands open, receive the hits through belly hum.
Yeah, yeah. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes.
1-2 mic check, LCS in the house, we the best, man. If he doubts you out, we can for take over like Mdum Booyah from Freetown to Cambia. So if you dare far when now for Cambia and listen to good music and sweet lyrics, just stop here speed, dope bars for 6 minutes. It's been a long time coming, but we finally here. So everybody put your hands up in the air. Yeah, it's a hip hop celebration. And guess what? We the new rap generation. Just stop here, bring you the revolution. Like it's the end time, LCS, man. This is our time, we come for shine bright like a lantern. And we ready for you now. Any part time. Yeah, nigga, any part time.
We're so legendary, we're classic, and we get the best sound. Legendary classic, we can't forget take over the whole town. We're so legendary, we're classic, and we get the best sound. Legendary classic, we can't forget take over the whole town. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest. We are no trials, yes. We know the best, no contest.